putting TireJect in all the tires on this four-wheeler. I'm going to see how well it holds up. And we took the core out and screwed on their injector. I'm using one bag for every tire, so we just pour it in the injector and let it go in after you shake the bag up real good. So we already put it in that tire and aired it up. Now we're going to put it in this one. Yeah, don't kink you got to hold the hose up so it doesn't kink. And normally it'll flow right in. We got the valve stem, you know, positioned at the bottom of the wheel. And if it doesn't automatically go in, you can take the plunger, the syringe plunger, and push it in. These tires are high lifter tires, I believe. Does it say the brand, I mean the model on them, buddy? I've had them so long. I really can't remember the model of them. Uh-oh. And then it's got a little bit in there. So he'll just plunger it in. And do that a couple of times to clear the line there. Alright, that's good, buddy. And then we're going to unscrew that. And something I didn't show on the first tire. We're actually going to take the air compressor and blow out the valve stem before we put the core back in. So, I'll show you. Here, just clip it on there. And it just easily wipes up any that you spill. And just shoot it. And then take the thing back on. And it clears out the valve stem. So, and then here's the valve stem. Don't lose it. And there's the tool. And you just put the valve stem back in and just snug it in there. And then you air it back up and it should hold. Well, you got to ride it around to distribute it in the tire, and that's what he's going to do. He can't wait. So, that is installing the TireJect. Go ahead and put about 5 pounds in it, buddy. Thanks for watching. I'll report back later.